Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and I'm here again to teach you about function and relation, okay, which is under general mathematics. And by the way, I am Sir Jim, and I hope that you will subscribe and follow our channel, okay. So first, let us define the following terms, okay. So relation and function. First, relation is any set of ordered pairs. So when we say ordered pairs, okay, you can have, for example, x and y, right? Or, for example, I'll be giving you numbers, -2 or 5, like that, okay? Or 3, -4, okay? Those are examples of ordered pairs, all right? Then it says here the set of all first element of the ordered pairs is called domain, right? And also the second elements is called range. So the x is domain and the y is what? This one, range, okay? So here we can see -2 is our domain, okay, D. -3 also domain, and 5 is the range, and -4, okay, is the range also. Okay, so I hope you understand ordered pairs. Let's go to function. Okay, it says here function is a relation or rule of correspondence between two elements, domain and range, such that each element in the domain corresponds to the to exactly one element in the range. Okay, so you need to what is one? Remember this. It's all if we can call it's a function if we have a domain corresponds to exactly one element in the range. Okay, so you need to remember that. All right, so let's have our examples. Okay, so among the ordered pairs given, which relation or relations are functions? Okay, so let's try to determine, okay, which among the following ordered pairs or set of numbers are functions. Okay, let us examine letter A, okay, or this group, right? So just remember, okay, always take a look at our domain or the x, okay? So this one, so our x, that's 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? Are there any repeated numbers? Okay, so as we can see, in the domain or in x, there's no repeated values or numbers here. Okay, so we can call this a function. Okay, oops, function there. All right, next let's take a look at set B. Okay, so if we're going to examine again, take a look at all the x or the domains here. We have here -2, -3, -2 again, and -4. Take a look at that. Negative, what is one? -2 and -2. Okay, you can see it was repeated. All right, so therefore it is not, okay, not a function. Okay, right, then let's go to set C. Okay, so if we're going to take a look at this one, again, always look at the x or the domain. Okay, you have M, okay, W, P, W again. Okay, so take a look at this one. It was repeated again. Okay, there you go. So the W repeated, therefore it's not a function. Okay, not a function. So set C is not a function. Next, let's take a look at set D. Okay, so if we're going to examine again the domain or the X, we have here 0, 5, -2, and 5 again. Okay, so look at that. 5 is repeated, so therefore we have again another one, not a function. Okay, there you go. So the main idea here is always look at the X or the domain. Okay, because if the X is repeated, okay, it's not a function anymore. Okay, but if the X this one is not repeated, okay, it's a function. Okay, if it's not repeated, function. If it's repeated, not a function. Okay, remember that. Let's go to, okay, now another example. Given the following table of values, identify which relation shows a function. Okay, so let's identify again. This one we can spot it easily because look at that. X, all X are already here. Okay, or values of X, right? So if we're going to take a look at this one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's not repeated. Therefore, the values of X, okay, they are distinct. Therefore, it is a function. Okay. Next, letter B. Okay, we're going to examine this one. Look at this. Values of X. Okay, -3, -2, -1, 0, and 1. It's not repeated again. Therefore, it is a function. Okay. And then letter C. Look at this one. Letter C. We're going to take a look at X. So we are not minding Y here, huh? Okay, remember that. Always be mindful of the values of X. Okay, never mind Y. All right. Next, we have 8, -7, -9, -7 again, and then 4. So the two values here, or -7, they're repeated. Therefore, it's not a function. Okay, you got that, guys? So I hope that you already understand our topic. Let's move on. It's very easy, right? Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, mapping diagram. Okay, given the following mapping diagram, which do you think represent functions? All right. Okay, so letter A, we have here Hannah. Okay, look at Hannah. The partner of Hannah is Mikey only, right? So Hannah, Mikey, and then Katrina. Okay, her partner is Haris, right? So and Moira, her partner is Jimmy. So here in our domain, okay, remember this is our domain and this one is our range. Okay, under domain, no one is repeated. Okay, they have all have one partner. Okay, Hannah has one partner, Katrina has one also, Moira has one. So therefore, this mapping diagram is a function. Okay, got that? Only this is what we call 1:1, Okay, diagram. All right. Next. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. Letter B. So as you can see, we have again domain here. X and X, Y, Z. That's our domain, and then the range. Okay, A and B. So if we're going to take a look at this one, X, okay, corresponds to A. So if we're going to put that in ordered pairs, X, A, then Y, and then B. Okay, so Y, then B, and then another one, Z and B. Okay, so take a look at this one. Okay, X, it's not repeated, right? So therefore, this is a function. Okay, and this is what we call many to one. Okay, there you go. Okay, letter C. Let's take a look at this one. Once again, the X and Y, okay, they are, of course, our domain again. Oops, domain. And then A, B, C, okay, they are our range. Okay, take a look at this one. X is to A, so we have X is to A. Then we have Y to B. Okay, Y to B. Then another one, Y to C. Okay, look at that. Y is repeated, right? Therefore, this is not a function. Okay, not a function. So there you go. So this is what we call one to many. Okay, there you go. So I hope that you understand our topic for today, and I hope that you will once again subscribe and follow our channel. And that's it. I'll see you again to our next video. Okay, thank you so much, and God bless you.